future of web development. A web developer is a person who is in charge of converting the web design into a fully functioning website by implementing a suitable code enriched with modern-day functionalities. It is one of the most sought-after skills required by the top organizations across the world, though it is not an easy task if the developer doesn't have a adequate knowledge of the technology stack, UI and UX design, and much more. A well-designed website with every modern bit and piece in place is one of the most vital things required by an organization brand when it comes to building an online presence to attract customers. The web developers are responsible for implementing their technological skills, with ample frameworks for creating exclusive websites that will be cherished by the customers over time. Since technological advancement has made most of the people on this planet mobile-friendly, the future of web development has now shifted base to building mobile apps as well as e-commerce websites, which the customers can make use of within just a few taps on their smartphones. Businesses now tend to depend more on the online purchases made by their customers over their apps or websites rather than the traditional stores. Thus, the web developers now need to be more focused on the evolving trends which we are going to discuss next. Here are some of the trends that will dominate in the field of web development. 1. Artificial intelligence. There is no denying the fact that AI is the future of web development, while the phase has already started at a greater speed. There are many leading organizations, including Google, that have launched their AI-specific technology for the general public, which allows them to create powerful websites. In addition to this, Grid is one of the most sought-after AI implementations that allows content-specific web development in no time. Furthermore, the Audi tools that have been launched now allows automated website development, which can be further customized according to the web developers. Apple's Siri and Google's Alexa are some of the most common examples of an AI system that recognizes human speech, analyzes it by tracking patterns, and offers the best user experience based on the information interpreted. Another one of the fastest-growing AI trends is speech recognition, which now plays an important role in revolutionizing the world of mobile and web development. AI has indeed become an indispensable part of human lives. 2. Internet of Things. Internet of Things, or IoT, is another best area of web development that is now slowly pacing towards ruling the world. For instance, it is the technology that has been specifically designed to make our life management easy. Web developers will soon be able to use the IoT for mankind for information and data analysis for their projects. It is the area of science that allows us to collect the data of physical objects over the cloud with the help of the internet. One of the most common examples of IoT that can be used to explain its analogy would be the fitness bands or smartwatches. They can track every activity of its user while storing the information over the cloud, which can be further used for optimizing the health goals as well as tracking sleep, nutrition, and health concerns. The future websites will have the same features implemented in them, just like Siri or Alexa, thereby offering the best life management ever. 3. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, or VR, is one of the most determined phenomena that have been affecting the web design and development since past few years. The designers make use of virtual reality to offer its users a stimulating environment by implementing the best traits of computer technology. The websites designed with virtual reality can allow the users to experience the 3D world in real time and engage with it. Several famous organizations are looking for web developers with adequate skills of virtual reality that can be implemented in their business models. This can offer their clients to engage with their products virtually, thereby increasing the overall customer satisfaction. 4. 360-degree video. 360-degree video creation is one of the most sought-after skills that is currently cherished by major organizations across the world. The 360-degree videos are responsible for offering an interactive and enhanced UI design that further helps in the growth of a website by driving more engagement. The video clips are hereby used for offering the user a virtual experience of the product with every angle easily described and explained. Having prior experience in virtual reality can easily allow designers or developers to create 360-degree videos for increased customer engagement. 5. Voice command. Voice command is another example of the AI and its implementations. A user can now use the voice commands to control and handle every prospect of his smartphone, TV screens, laptops, tablets, or more. The technology has eventually enhanced as compared to the past years. The user can even call an Uber just with a voice command without making use of the application. This is one of the gifts this technology brings to life. It can be used by the web developers for enhancing the UX even further. Certain organizations now believe it as one of the most important aspects of the evolving technology which will find pace in the coming years. 6. Code injection exposure. Since the applications these days offer the users to comment and offer their feedback with the help of forms, they are some of the most common ways of adding a malware code injection. For instance, if an application doesn't prevent the user to add only a minimum number of characters into the login form, allowing the use of characters such as equal to or a colon, the attacker can easily add the code into the form for accessing the server data. 7. Motion User Interface. Motion UI is a SaaS library that is typically used for creating custom CSS. When used intelligently, the Motion UI can improve the brand image tenfold by offering the user a real insight into the brand's message. They can be further used to enhance the user experience design, with the use of several elements adding to the simpler navigation as well as boosting the overall website appearance. Web development in the future is bound to change drastically by implementing all these new technological measures at a vital level. Looking back at how things have evolved when compared to the last few years, no one can deny more improvement in the technological aspects which are bound to affect web development directly or indirectly. A web developer needs to remain updated with the latest trends and technologies happening around the world that can improve the user experience as well as make way for better engagement and customer satisfaction. Hit like and subscribe if you like the information.